nothing or something. Oh!
So do you really want to go down that road? Yeah. Good, I'll just send him there. Good. I'm not kidding. No, I'm not. I'm tired of you blowing me off all the time. No,
And this. Oh! A little bit of skirting parts around there too. Yeah. Whoosh! 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 And squirrely around there. Ooh, we might be doing grand finale. Maybe not. I want a fire to blow up again. That was cool. Hope you guys caught that for the first part. Nice. Oh, and bam. See it with bam.
Matthew, it can wait. Yeah, because he made the comment first. It doesn't matter. You don't just change like that. No, you don't.
Bam. Alright. Up there too, and oh! I like that. And blue and green, it looks like. Yeah. Oh! I love fireworks. I like that too. Oh, the spectacular. You just throw those types of fireworks up all the time and they could be the whole video. Oh! You probably heard the background. If not, a couple of teenagers were fighting. They didn't have the heart to tell them I'm recording. Don't tell Sonny. And oh! This is loud. Cover your ears. I'll take all your legal notes at my email address. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah! Holy crap! Very nice. The highlight of the whole show, ladies and gentlemen. Highlight of the whole weekend. Everyone is clapping. It looks like that is the end of the fireworks display here at Marla Country Fair Days. So, as you can see, probably won't see, there's a bunch of people here. So that's it. See y'all later, folks, and apologize if a loss of hearing aid came from. If you have a hearing aid after watching these videos. See ya.